Happy June, everyone. That's right, today is Sunday, June 1st, 2014. And if you're wondering why I sound really bad, it's because I just woke up. So, let's say it's about 8 o'clock. So yeah. What are we going to do to celebrate June coming in? Well, I figured we'd do a startup and shutdown of the air conditioners, not theirs. Because it is air conditioner season, obviously. So, now, let's see, I'm not using the waterproof camera because I gotta get this uploaded today. So, I don't have the tripod. So, let's see, where should we set it? We're gonna do upstairs first, so you guys are gonna be upside down here. I'll have to take a picture so they can press it in there and everything. You guys are gonna be upside down here, so excuse that. That is a freaking picture. I wish I could get that one. Oh, there we go. Hope it doesn't fall off. Let's see. Alright, I hope it doesn't fall off. I'll be back. Good. It stayed like I wanted it. Next clip, I'm gonna see about putting it. I'd like to put it up on somewhere near the fan grill, so that I don't know, so you guys can see it actually turning off. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'll see. My neighbors are pretty grouchy, so I don't know. Might not want me doing that. So yeah, happy June. That was the first startup of the central air conditioner in June. Well, it might have turned on earlier this morning, but that's the first time I've heard it start up this June, so. We're not going to film until it shuts off itself. We're going to go shut it off ourselves. In a minute, I guess. Let's see if the suction lines get nice and cold. Oh yeah, sure is. And then the data sheet. The model is H2RA030A08D. It's hard to read it because it's all faded. And the serial number is WMKMO. Oh God. 01238. I think. Sure. It's just really hard to read it when it's all faded like that. Alright, when it gets 6 minutes, we'll go ahead and shut it off. They're pretty nice units, even though it's from 2001, it's, I don't know, I guess it's 13 years old now. But it still works fine. Theirs, I think, is going to go out this summer, so. Alright, let's see. Let me set the camera right. Let's see. That's a good picture right there. No, I don't think this is going to work. Alright. Well, guess I'll have to bear with me for a second, but I'm going to set the camera right here. Okay. So, the suction line is still sweaty on the Guardian. So, I know it was just running, so we're not gonna... I don't know if we should turn it on right away or not. Trying to decide what to do. Well, it might have, I think this unit does have compressor lockout, so it might not turn on right away. But we'll go ahead and fire it up, I guess. Let's see, where should we put the camera? Only there was a way I could put it right there. Let's see. But I don't think that's impossible. Let's see. Let's get those little... Oh, there we go. There we go. That's the shot right there. You guys are gonna have to be, you guys aren't gonna be wide angle here for just a second, but let's see if we can get the camera to stay right here. Yeah, that is is the freaking shot right there. There we go. Hopefully it doesn't fall. I'll be back. Dang. I bet the vibrations of the compressor probably did it, but man, listen to this thing. Amazing. God, I am so glad that my parents called Guardian to install us a new unit. This fan just sounds amazing. I don't think I've ever heard an air conditioner that sounds this amazing. Dude, if you guys lived in this house, I'm sure you'd feel the same way. The model is GCG D48S21S1A. The serial is WOL7346505. I've read those many times, so that's why I did it so fast. This thing has the most epic shutdown, too. I turned it down to 74. So, again, we're not going to let it cool it down to that because my family's sitting in the living room, so don't want them to get frozen up like an ice cube. So, again, the suction line was already cold and sweaty to start with. But man, that is the freaking shot right there. Look at that. If only I could have gotten a shot like that. I mean, that would just be amazing. There's the York. If you're wondering where the Guardian brand thing is, it's in my room at the AV Museum. So I will be touring this summer. Let's see if we can find any. Yeah, see, it's just a straight cool unit. It says listed section air conditioner, central cooling. And then let me see if I can find a Guardian thing here. Oh no. But man, if we ever have to replace that York, we're definitely going to get another Guardian. I'm going to make my parents get another Guardian. I mean, I could call them myself because I am getting old, but I mean, well, not old, but I'm a teenager in a couple of years. Well, actually, listen, probably just a year, I don't know. I'll be 12 on February, so 11. It's got an A.O. Smith fan motor, as most York and Guardian units use. And fun fact, Coleman, Guardian, and York are all the same people. Pretty interesting, huh? Here's the disconnect box. See, there's inside the disconnect box. I have a separate video of getting inside there. We'll look inside this one. No, it's the same. We'll take a peek inside of it. Yeah, see, it's just the same. Alright.
Alright, now I go shut it off. Alright, you know what? I'm not gonna mess with this again. Let's put the camera right here. And you know what? We might not be able to hear the epic shutdown though. Just so you guys can hear it good, let's put it right here. And I'm gonna jump over the camera so I don't get myself. So, happy June. That's it.